Fake. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Let's all make this delicious dough together and give inspiration to each other.
Nice and airy.
Let's do this.
Lightly, just lightly.
Flour's really your best friend.
Oops. Yeah. There are different techniques, but I'm happy with this one and it always works.
Mold it in. Forming. Quick, easy, no appliances needed.
No.
Traditional homemade.
Now we put it in a warm spot for about half an hour. Oh, in our case, in the microwave for 30 seconds. Here we go. It's nice and warm and very pliable. It springs back. That's ready. That's your dough.
We hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back in our next video.